Honorable Principal, and dear students and dear teachers, Assalamu alaikum and a good morning to all of you. Today I am here to express my thoughts and personal views on the most heart-wrenching and a very painful topic, a poisonous era in the heart of humanity. Yes, I am pointing to a Middle East country named Israel. From 7th October 2023, a conflict took place between Israel and Palestine, which is known as the land of prophets, on the dispute of Masjid al-Aqsa. The war is between Hamas and Israel forces. Respected audience, Israel is a country that has violated 28 resolutions of United Nations Security Council. Imagine for a few seconds to violate 28 times really seems an abnormal act. History witnessed Israel's cruelty and its revengeful peoples. To prove their cruelty, they are using prohibited weapons in this war against the Muslims on Gaza Strip. They never tried to hide their military offenses and aggression against the Palestinian Muslims. My honorable listeners, a Palestinian child said recently, "We pray 6 times a day: Fajr, Zohar, Maghrib, Isha and Janaza." All of this is due to immunity. Once Qaid Azam said, "Israel is a dagger entered to the heart of Ummah. This is an illegitimate state that Pakistan will never accept. Being Pakistani, we must stand with Palestinians. We can easily boycott their brands to spoil their economy." At the end, I would like to read some poetry. The river will meet the sea. The river will meet the sea. The bird will fly in the sky. The bird will fly in the sky. Palestine will become free. Invader will either flee or like insects surely die. Thank you.
Principal, my dear students, today I would like to talk about some simple yet incredible powerful believing in yourself. I want to start with a simple question. Have you ever doubted yourself? Maybe before a test, a game, or trying something completely new. If your answer is yes, you are completely agree with me that you are not alone. We have all been there. Today I want to remind you of something powerful: believing in yourself, that we have all some faults in our lives, in our achievements. Yourself permission to try, you open the door to opportunities, growth and success. Think about it. Every great person in history, every inventor, every hero gain success because they believe in themselves. Believing in yourself doesn't mean thinking you are perfect. It doesn't mean we will fail sometimes, and that's okay. Because when you believe in yourself, you can do better and you achieve your goals. For example, Rowling was rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter became phenomenon. She did not forgive because she believed in herself. So the next time, remember this: you are stronger than you think, smarter than you believe, and more capable than you realize. Believe in yourself. That's where everything starts. Now you can do everything when you have to believe yourself. Thank you.